Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain what is Java. Java is a programming language. So what is Java? Java is a programming language. And there are so many programming languages available in the market. Like we have C language, C++ language, then we have Java as a language, which is a programming language. Then we have Python, then we have C Sharp, then we have Ruby, then we have JavaScript, and so many guys, okay? Perl, PHP, etc. So many programming languages are available in the market and Java is one of them. In this course, we are going to focus on Java as a programming language. Okay, Java is one of the most popular programming languages available in the market. And for learning Selenium automation, in this course, we are going to learn Java. Okay, so here Java is a programming language similar to other programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, etc. Okay. But how much amount of Java we are going to learn in this course for learning Selenium automation? As already explained in the previous session, Java can be divided into two parts. Java can be divided into two parts. One is core Java, other one is advanced Java. Okay, one is core Java, other one is advanced Java. So here left side core Java. Core Java is one part of Java. I can break the Java programming language into two parts. One is core Java. The other one is advanced Java. So how much amount of Java is required for learning Selenium automation? As already explained in the previous session, advanced Java is not required. We only have to learn core Java part of Java. Okay. So Java is a programming language, but we don't have to learn the entire programming language Java for before starting learning Selenium. Okay. For Selenium test automation learning, entire Java programming language need not to be learned. Core Java part of that Java programming language is enough for us because this core Java part of Java programming language contains a logic part, program logical part. Okay, logic related or logic building related part will be there in the core Java. Coming to the advanced Java, this is required for the developers for building the software. Okay, even developers can use this for writing the logic, but here for software testers, as part of automating using Selenium, etc., core Java part of Java is more than enough. We don't have to learn advanced Java. Just we'll be focusing on core Java. Okay, in this course. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover how to download and install Java in your computer machine. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.